Let's learn how we can sort data in Excel. There's a list of data that has already been displayed on our screen, this one here, with a header row, this one. As we can see, our list of data has been sorted by ID in ascending order.
Ascending order means starting from the smallest number, that's 1, to the largest number, that's 7. Descending order is exactly the opposite, from the largest to the smallest.
Suppose we want to sort our list by surname in ascending order. We click anywhere in the surname field, and then from the Home tab, we navigate to the Editing group and click Sort and Filter. It drops down a list of options and we select Sort A to Z. Our data has been sorted in ascending order.
If we want to sort data by ID in descending order, we click once anywhere in the ID column, and then from the same command, we select Sort from largest to smallest.
Let's go to the next sheet. We can see the same data, but it is in the form of an Excel table. We will learn more about tables in another video. Here we will see an additional way of sorting data that tables give us. You can see that in the header cell, there is a small button with an arrow pointing down. This is the filter button. We will deal with the filters in another video. But for now, we can see one function of these small arrow buttons. Clicking on the arrow in the surname column opens a menu of options. The first two options are the sort options for this column. Let's sort in ascending order as before.
If we click on the arrow of the ID column, we will see that the sorting options are there as well. We click on Sort from largest to smallest. So we chose to sort in descending order.
And just like that, we have learned how to sort data in Excel. Very useful.